Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel creditrepair.com service, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your creditrepair.com service. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Call creditrepair.com customer service on their number at 1-800-232-6499 and provide them with your account information and other necessary details. Tell the customer service agent that you want to stop receiving credit repair services. They might inquire as to why you need to cancel, so be prepared to answer fast. Confirm the cancellation specifics with the representative, including the cancellation's effective date and any other pertinent details. To make sure you have a record of the cancellation, request written confirmation, such as an email or letter. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel credit repair via email. Send an email with your account details, including your name, account number, and any other pertinent information, to the customer service or support team. Give a reason if necessary and make it clear that you wish to cancel your credit repair service. To make sure you have a record of the cancellation, ask for written confirmation, such as an email or letter. Ask how any outstanding charges on your account will be handled and when you can anticipate receiving any refunds. Make sure your email is clear and short, and that you have included all necessary information. Send your composed email to info@creditrepair.com and wait for their customer service response. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily cancel your creditrepair.com service. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.